clean our face. We just got to. You got to. Alright y'all, so next we're gonna go ahead and do our eyebrows. Today I'm using the Covergirl Easy Breezy Brow Fill+define pencil or crayon in the color black, and I'll have that link down below. I have an eyebrow tutorial already up on my channel, so if you have not checked that out already, go ahead and check that out. I'm gonna go ahead and speed this process up, and I'll come back after my eyebrows are done. Alright y'all, so we went ahead and did our eyebrows off camera. I already drew the shape in that I wanted, and I went ahead and concealed. So next we're gonna go ahead and just prime my eyelids. I have yet to buy an actual eyelid primer, so I will be going in with my e.l.f. concealer that I use, just so that I can lighten it up, and that when I put the eyeshadows on, it'll make everything pop. It doesn't really matter what kind of brush you use. I'm just using one of these Eco Tools brushes, and I'm just gonna dab that in on my eyelid. So our eyelids are primed, as you can see, and we're just gonna go in today with our pink palette. Alright y'all, so the first color I'll be using is this royal blue, and I'm just gonna pack that all over my eyelid. Just like that. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye off camera, and I'll be right back. Alright y'all, so the next color that we're going in with is this green, and we're just gonna pack that in right above this blue right here. Alright, just like that. We'll go in and blend it out later, so don't worry about it. I will do the other eye off camera, and I'll be right back. Alright y'all, so we have done the blue and the green. Now we're going to go ahead and cut our crease. I'm going to use my e.l.f. eyebrow duo brush. It looks just like this. And I'll have everything that I use linked down below. So I'm going to cut one crease on camera, and then I'll do the other one off, and I'll be right back. Alright, so we cut both of our creases. Cut crease gives me anxiety because one of them I feel like always comes out looking perfect, and then one does like this, and then it's just like, what the heck is happening? Then you gotta try to fix it, but then you don't want to go too high. Literally a big pain in the butt, but we're gonna make it do what it do because we're about to fill it in anyways. So when you do your cut crease, you're gonna do yellow, orange, pink, and then I'm gonna put a little bit of purple at the end. So I'll do that on camera right now, and then I'll come back with the other one done. Alright, so that's how it's looking so far. These colors are very pigmented. I don't know if y'all have ever heard of, like, when some palettes that are really pigmented, it can stain your skin. I did this look prior to, just to see if I would like how it even looked on me, and the fuchsia or the pink that I'm going to be using actually did stain my skin, and even after I wiped everything off and all the other colors came off, that fuchsia was stuck on my eyelid for, I would say, maybe a day. So it does come off, but just so that you do know, so you're not like, oh my god, because for a second I was like, what's going on? And we'll wipe out all the excess after. So next we're gonna go in with orange. And I am kind of overlapping them a little bit so they do blend in as I do it, but I'm not gonna go in and like excessively try to blend it in. I feel like the way that it looks is what makes the look the way that it does, if that makes any sense. All right, and then lastly we're just gonna go in with purple. All right, y'all, so we have finished the different colors on each eye. That's how it is looking right now. Next we're gonna go in with our e.l.f. liquid eyeliner. Y'all, I really wish that I had like you know how it's easy if you're right-handed, it's easier to do stuff, like it's easier for me to do my makeup on this eye, but then when it comes time for me to do it on my left eye, I gotta like sit my hand a different way to like really get it without messing it up. I wish I had, like, I wish I was ambidextrous. I wish I could do with my left hand what I could do with my right hand, because all right, so our liner is done. We're gonna pick out which lashes I want to use, and I'll be right back. So while we're waiting on the lash glue to actually dry and get tacky so we can even place them on, we're gonna go in with this white and put that right here. This little thing, maybe. Here we go. Just like that. You don't have to put as much as I did, but hey, go big or go home. Just like that. All right, we're gonna let this glue dry and I'll be right back. All right guys, this is the final look. I will make sure that I leave tons of pictures and videos at the end of the video so that you can see from different angles and different lighting, so that you can see exactly how this look turned out. I really hope that you guys enjoyed the video. I definitely enjoyed making it. Make sure that if you did enjoy it, you give the video a thumbs up. Leave some feedback for me down below in the comments. Remember to always give me different video ideas that you want to see as far as different makeup looks or just different videos in general, whether it's hair, because I am going to take my braids out soon and I am going to do a hair video, so let me know what kind of hair style that you would like to see. But yeah, that's all that I have for you guys today. Follow me on all my socials. Everything that I used today in this video will be linked down below. Thank you guys for so much support. Bye guys.